Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to crochet a cute avocado. Before starting this pattern, make sure you are clear about basic crochet skills by watching beginner's tutorial video. Links will be attached to the description. I use 3mm crochet hook and 4-ply yarn. Let's start from the front piece. Use light brown yarn for the seed. In row 1, make 5 single crochet in the magic ring. Make a chain on top of it. Start making a single crochet. Release the hook and tighten the ring. And then, slip stitch in the first single crochet to end this roll. Row 1 is completed. In row 2, make 5 single crochet increase. Make a chain to start. Crochet on the top of first row. To make an increase, crochet 2 times in the same stitches. Make 4 more increase. When finishing it, make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Row 2 is completed. In row 3, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 5 times. Remember to make a chain before starting next row. Make 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next. Repeat this pattern for 4 more times. Slip stitch every time when the row ends. Row 3 is completed. In row 4, make 1 single crochet in each. Total 15 single crochet. Make a chain to start the roll. Just crochet as usual. Make a slip stitch in the end. Row 4 is completed. Before starting next row, change the yarn into yellow. Use new yarn to make the chain, which is the chain when we start new roll. And continue crochet with the new yarn. In row 5, please follow this pattern. We already make 1 chain in the beginning, so make 4 more chains. Reverse, and make 4 single crochet along the chains. Insert the hook into the last second chain. And then, make single crochet increase, single crochet on the circle. When crochet after changing yarn, we need to include the excess yarn in the middle. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. One more single crochet. The excess yarn is tight and we can cut now. Put back the crochet hook. Crochet this pattern for total 5 times on the circle. And then, make 4 single crochets on the chains. Make a slip stitch in the first stitches. Row 5 is completed. In row 6, please follow this pattern. Remember to make a chain before starting next row. Firstly, make 1 increase. Three single crochets. And then, make the set of 3 single crochet and 1 increase for 5 times. Make an increase here. Crochet this pattern for total 5 times on the circle. And lastly, make 3 single crochet and 1 increase on the chain. Make an increase here. Make a slip stitch in the first stitches. Row 6 is completed. In row 7, please follow this pattern. Make a chain to start. Make 1 single crochet first, and 1 increase in the next. Three single crochets. And then, make the group of 2 SC, increase, 2 SC on the circle, total 5 times. Complete the remaining pattern on the chain. 3 single crochets. One increase. And lastly, 1 single crochet. Make a slip stitch in the end. Row 7 is completed. We need to change the yarn into green. Use same method as before. use green yarn to make the chain. In row 8, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, totaling 42 single crochets. I usually cut the excess yarn after making 2 to 3 single crochets. Simply making single crochets until the end. And then, slip stitch in the first single crochet to end this roll. Row 8 is completed. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Front piece is completed. For the back piece, the pattern is almost the same with front piece. The first difference is we use only green yarn to make it. And the second difference is we remove the row 4's 15 single crochets part and do the row 5 pattern directly. Besides, add 1 row with the 42 single crochets in the last. The finished work of back piece will be like this. Make 8 chains in the end. Spare more yarn for sewing and cut the yarn. Use yarn needle to sew the pieces together. Make sure you tie up a knot after cutting the yarn. Firstly, insert the needle into the first stitches. And then, join the pieces together symmetrically. Insert into the first stitch of the front piece. After that, sewing it one by one. When left only few stitches, insert the fiber cotton. Continue sewing until the end. Sew a few more round in the last stitch to secure the yarn. Hide the remaining yarn and cut. Put on the keychain. I am glad that you make it here. Don't forget to give a very good thumbs up for me if you enjoy crocheting. See you in next video.